Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Today's video will showcase our slitting machine. First, you can see the electrical control cabinet, where all software operations are performed. Next, we'll see the simple wire adjustment system. This differs from the wire adjustment system on EPS cutting machines, resulting in slightly lower cutting accuracy. This machine supports both horizontal and vertical cutting. The cutting wire is fixed to copper rods at both ends, with heating coils installed on the copper tubes for rapid temperature increase. The rapid wire adjustment system is primarily used for horizontal cutting, achieving a cutting tolerance of approximately +1 mm. The vertical cutting system moves downward and maintains a horizontal position during operation, with a motor on each side driving the cutting wire. The wire hangers are mounted on stainless steel shafts, each connected to a spring. Before cutting, electrical current must be applied to the copper rods to conduct heat. The machine is equipped with 60 cutting wires. Also, here is the photoelectric sensor. When the cutting frame moves downward and detects an object, it triggers the heating element, thus initiating cutting. This completes the wire adjustment mechanism of this slitting machine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.